Welcome to Grandma's Wise Advice. Let's be real for a second, most men don't want to admit this, but the truth is written in actions, not words. Out in the real world, the game is brutal, and understanding attraction means watching what people do, not what they say. Women are subtle, often leaving behind hidden clues that aren't always obvious. But for those who know where to look, the signals are clear. Today, we're diving deep into those secret behaviors that scream attraction without her ever saying a word. Because a true man doesn't chase illusions, he sees reality for what it is. That's the power of wisdom, cutting through the noise and focusing on the undeniable truths of human nature. When you start observing her actions with clarity, you'll not only understand her intentions but also sharpen your instincts in a world full of deception. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're ready to level up how you handle relationships and unlock the power of wisdom in your life. Every video brings you one step closer to mastering your mindset and building deeper, more meaningful connections. Alright, let's cut to the chase. If you're trying to figure out whether a woman is genuinely interested in you, stop listening to her words. They can be distractions. The truth about attraction is written in her actions, not her excuses or compliments. In the world of masculinity, where false signals and mixed messages are everywhere, real men don't guess, they observe. Let's break it down. One of the most powerful and telling signs of attraction is prolonged eye contact. When a woman is drawn to you, her eyes will betray her emotions long before her words ever will. You might not even notice it at first, but when she holds eye contact with you, really looks at you, you'll feel it. Her gaze lingers, and in that brief moment, everything shifts. This isn't just some passing glance, it's a deep connection. She's locking in, giving you a window into her emotions. This kind of eye contact isn't just about attraction, it's an unspoken invitation, a sign of genuine interest that's hardwired into human nature. If she's maintaining that lingering gaze, she's already investing in the moment with you. And it doesn't stop there. Watch for the way her pupils dilate when she looks at you, the way she blinks just a little slower as if savoring the sight of you. It's a dance of desire, an ancient, primal form of communication that words can never replicate. If she looks at you, looks away, and then sneaks another glance, it's her way of checking, testing, silently hoping you'll catch on. And when you do, don't look away too quickly. Hold her gaze just a second longer than you normally would. Let her feel your presence, let her feel seen, because in that moment, she's letting you in deeper than she realizes. Then there's the undeniable chemistry of body language. If she tilts her head when talking to you, exposes the soft curve of her neck, or subtly bites her lip as she listens, these are signals that go beyond casual interest. A woman's body speaks before her words do, and if she leans in when you speak, if she angles her body toward yours in a crowded room, she's drawn to you on a level she might not even consciously recognize. It's her instincts taking over, her body gravitating toward you like a magnetic pull she can't resist. Pay attention to these moments, because they reveal what she won't say out loud. Now let's talk about a sign that many men overlook: casual touches. You might think a small tap on the arm or a brush against your hand means nothing, but trust me, it means everything. Physical touch, no matter how small, is a powerful form of connection. Women don't casually touch just anyone. These moments are intentional, even if they seem innocent. If she playfully bumps into you, lets her fingers graze yours, or taps your shoulder while laughing, she's testing the waters. She's checking if you're comfortable with her proximity and, more importantly, if you even notice the connection she's trying to create. But let's go deeper. It's not just the touch itself, it's how she does it. Does she linger just a little too long when she hands you something? Does her touch seem accidental, but happens again and again? That's no coincidence. That's her subtly saying, I feel safe with you. I want to be closer. And when a woman allows herself to be close to you, to bridge that space between distance and intimacy, she's letting you into a place most men never reach. That's the difference between just another guy in her life and the man she secretly craves. So pay attention. The way she touches you is the way she's feeling about you in that moment. And let's not forget the intoxicating effect of her voice. Have you noticed how she lowers it when speaking to you? How she slows down her words, her tone softening as if she's letting you in on a secret meant only for you. That's not an accident. When a woman is attracted to you, her voice becomes an instrument of seduction, subtle, warm, drawing you in like a moth to a flame. She might laugh a little softer, let her words linger in the air between you, creating a rhythm that invites you closer. If she's playing with her words, teasing, drawing out the conversation, she's building anticipation, and she's inviting you to step into the moment with her. Let's bring it all together. Attraction isn't about words, it's about actions. Prolonged eye contact, open body language, genuine laughter, casual touches, thoughtful personal questions, subtle adjustments to her appearance, the way her voice slows and softens when she speaks to you. These are the real indicators that she's into you. When you understand how to read these signals, you'll no longer be second-guessing her intentions. The truth will be right in front of you. And here's where real men separate themselves from the rest. Recognizing these signs is one thing, but knowing how to respond is what sets you apart. If you see her playing with her hair, mirroring your movements, or leaning in just a little closer every time you talk, don't ignore it. Meet her energy. Let her feel the same presence you felt when her eyes locked onto yours. If she initiates touch, respond with equal confidence. Don't pull away, don't stiffen up. This is where connection is built, where attraction turns into something real. In a world full of distractions and mixed signals, wisdom is your greatest tool. The ability to observe, to see through illusions, and to recognize what's real separates men who get played from men who lead. When you master this skill, you'll never have to chase, you'll attract. If you've noticed any of these signs before, drop a comment below with, "I get it now." Let's talk about it. I want to hear your experiences. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on mastering relationships and building deeper connections. Until next time, stay sharp, stay aware, and most importantly, see the truth for what it is.